High graphics Android games in 2025. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you about these games. So let's go to Play Store. Here you guys will simply search for Indian bus truck, Indian car truck bus simulator. Once we search for that, here you guys will see on third Indian car truck bus simulator. Simply click on that and download that one. That car game has one of the best graphics and you guys can play it on low end device as well. So the second game will be Deep Rock Galactic Survivors. So for that we will simply go to Play Store. So let's go to Play Store. Here we will simply search for Deep Rock Galactic Survivors. Now here you guys can see on second Deep Rock Galactic Survivors. Simply download that game. That game has also best graphics. The third game will be Dig It Up. So I will simply search for Dig It Up. Once we search for that, here you guys can see the first game, Dig It Up. So simply click on that and download that game. That game has best graphics as well, and you guys can download it on low end devices. The fourth game will be Pirate Sea Treasure Hunt. So I will simply search for Pirate Sea Treasure Hunt. Once I search for that, here you guys will see first game. Simply click on that. You guys can download that game. That game has low downloads, but generally that game has best graphics and you guys can play it on low end devices. Thanks for watching.